Good afternoon. This is Wednesday, May 20th. I'm Gary Pace, the County Public Health Officer, and I'm going to give the coronavirus update for Lake County. Current numbers in California, there's 85,000 cases, 3,470 deaths. Sonoma County has over 400 cases total, with 200 active cases presently. Lake County has a total of 12 cases now. 4 are active, 1 is currently hospitalized. The other 3 are isolating at home, and we are actively pursuing contacts of the different cases to make sure that there's no community spread. So there's a few updates. Our drive-through testing started last week on Thursday and is going really well. It's mobile, so in the beginning of the week it's in Clear Lake, at the end of the week it's in Lakeport. There will be a day every other week that is going to be in Middletown starting next Wednesday, a week from today. If people want to get tested, they need to get an appointment first, and the best way to do it is to sign up on the Verily test site, on the Verily website, Verily, and you can get the link through the health department site if you need to. So the lake was opened almost 2 weeks ago, and we're starting to loosen some other restrictions now. We're seeing a small rise in cases with a total of 4 active at this point. And we're expecting there to be some community transmission now as we loosen things up and more people are moving around and coming into the area. So we encourage people to really keep the social distancing. There are also some opening steps that are going to be expected to start tomorrow. We're waiting for the final approval from the state at this point, but we expect that businesses to be able to open up a bit more. These include some restaurants allowing outdoor dining with social distancing, expanding childcare from just for essential workers only to include all parents of all kids, and also allowing in-store shopping with in permitted retail stores with social distancing. Also, church offices and one-on-one spiritual counseling can be open, although at this point they're not allowing regular church services. There's a list of businesses that are not allowed in stage 2, and a press release was coming out later today that will show that, or you can also get that on the website. So businesses will need to self-certify and post their plans at the entryway to their business. The forms and the guidance can be found on our website, and a sign that shows that you're compliant can be obtained by taking the signed forms to the either City Hall or to the Chamber of Commerce, and they can give you one of these signs. They look great, and I think people will be really happy to see the sign in your business and to know that you're taking all the steps that you can to keep them as safe as possible. So one of the things that's going to be a part of this is cloth face coverings are going to be required for everyone who's inside stores or offices where there are other people present. So this is not in your own home, and kids under 2 are exempted, and also people with chronic medical problems that lead to breathing issues will all be exempted, but you're going to need to get one of your medical providers to write you a note that says that's what's going on if you qualify. So the cloth face coverings are an important protection to add in since we are opening up more and we're expecting more community transmission. This is a way to be considerate of your neighbors and to slow down the spread of the virus within the community and really show care for people in your community. So vulnerable people still need to stay home where it is safe, especially now with the Memorial Day weekend coming up. So thank you very much for all your cooperation, and please be careful out there.